Well, hello there. This is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab called Summer Centerpieces. And it's an open collab. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, and Lifestyle Design with Teresa, and they just wanted us to make a centerpiece for the summertime. So I'm making my centerpiece in one of my sitting rooms, one on one of the tables there. So I am going to tell you to please pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well. And this is God's world, honey. No matter what people say or how they do it, this world belongs to God. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to be using this spray away glass cleaner. You know what? I got this from Anna as well. Anna is always cleaning her stuff with different things. And I am a I am a old time glass cleaner. Windex. Windex was my thing back then. We Windex was the coop de doop. Windex was. So I'm just gonna clean this off real good. And thank Anna again for always showing me different things because I watch her videos, and I also went on and saw some more people using it. But the first time I saw it, Anna was using it. So I'm going to clean this off really, really well. Get it clean really good. All in the corners and everywhere. So let me go back again. I would like to thank Anna and Jennifer and Emma and Teresa for this beautiful collab. Okay. So now let me start setting up my summer centerpiece. I found at this is a piece of material that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off when I got it. And I got it. Well, I found it back there in my stash because I have a room with a lot of stuff in it. And the tag was still on it, 40% off. So I'm gonna put it across here like this and let it kind of crinkle up a little bit and let it hang over the side. I think that'll look so pretty. So then I have a floral arrangement that I made in my Tide Pods. Now y'all know when I use my Tide up, I use these Tide Pods. Okay? And this is the flower arrangement right here. Yes, because I use my pods and I spray painted my Tide Pods blue. And it feels so good, y'all. I love feeling and rubbing on things. I just like decorating and I love doing things. Okay, and I found these at Dollar General last year. They had them on a table outside, and I asked about them, and I think I paid $1 for them. They was $5, but last year they had them on a markdown table. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I paid $1 for these. Now I found these back there in my stash as well, and it says "Keep Life Simple." I think these are very beautiful. So I'm going to put these on my table as well. I think I'm going to set it up. And these little greenery that I have in there come out of our warehouse. We sold and still do sell a lot of stuff online. And that greenery come out of the warehouse. Okay. So I'm going to set that like that. And then I'm going to go over here. I have some white florals over here that I'm going to just put back here in this corner right here. So I'm trying to see how that looks back there in that corner. Let me take a look and see. No, you can't even see them. So I don't know. Let me see. Maybe I should put it up here with these because you can see them. To me, that looks better, but I need to do something so I can showcase everything on the table. So I think I'm going to put those right there. Put this up a little closer. Put that a little closer. And put this a little closer. Let me see how that looks. That looks somewhat better. I don't want my Tide Pod to not show because I worked hard on painting it. So let me see how it looks without the white flowers. Oh, now that looks good to me, just like that. So I'm going to put the white flowers back and leave them right there. And I'm going to go here and there. Okay. And then what I normally do here in the front, I have pictures of my grandchildren, children, great-grandchildren in a photo album that I keep on the table at all times. So when family come over, they can look at my squad. Yes, see, these are some of the pictures that I keep on my table. I have older pictures, my mom, my children, my nieces, my nephew, and I keep them on the table. So I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to put okay, let's see. I'm going to put my word right here in that corner right there. And then I'm going to take my other word and put it on this side. Because we usually get into some discussions about the Word of God when we're sitting in one of these rooms. And this is one of my greatest, my loveliest uncle. This is his favorite singing group. So I try to keep it on the table as a reminder of me, of him. His name was Gwen Bryant. And they lived in New Jersey, and my aunt was Bessie Bryant. He married my aunt, and but he was one heck of a man. I have never seen a man so devoted to his wife and family. But this was his fame. He loved this group, the Swan Silvertone Singers. So I usually keep that in here as well. So I'm going to put that right there. So now I think everything looks the way I want it to look. I want to say thank you so much for looking at my summertime centerpieces. I ask that you stay prayed up. Don't let what's happening in this world take you away from what you need to know. And what do you need to know? That God is the author and finisher of your faith. And He is God of this world. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you so very much for looking, and I pray that you have a blessed day. Don't forget to go on down to that playlist and help these ladies out. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and let them know that you like what they're doing. It's a hard job doing this, y'all. Hard job. But I thank you so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to pray. May's Design Corner saying, adieu. God bless you.